Welcome to Small Group Monday. Okie dokie. Look at this joke. It says, hey, let's make a whole. We have 1/2 and 1/2. You get it? My dog got it. They didn't like it. What other fractions can make one whole without the W? What do you think? Okay, so today we are going to be working on fractions, the sum of two fractions. So our I can statement, I can identify the sum of two fractions with like denominators using models. So we are going to be using models. So let's learn all about adding those fractions. I know you guys are going to just ace this. So when two things are the same, they're easy to add. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 dogs plus 4 dogs means I have 9 dogs. 4 flowers and 5 flowers, I have 9 flowers. 3 6 and 4 6, I have 7 6. So kind of like the flowers, let me go back. It's kind of like the dogs with a common denominator. Flowers and flowers, common denominator, so I can add them together. I can't add 4 flowers and 5 dogs and get 9 dog flowers. We can't mix them. We have to have a common denominator. So over here we have a common denominator. Let's add these together. So here is a whole, and look at, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts equals 1 whole. So down here, let's add 1/4 plus 2/4. What do you think that equals? What does that equal? Did you say 3/4? Because look, you did. You were correct. Good job. Let's look at the next one. The same thing. First, I'm going to look and see how many parts, because I need to make sure I have the same denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. Okay. Now I am good to go. So this one has 2, 6. This one has 3, 6. So we're going to add them together. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 6. Let me move that up a little. Wow, it went all crazy. There we go. And then if we look at our model, here's 2 out of 6 shaded, 3 out of 6 shaded, and over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6 parts shaded. So good, we got it correct. Okay, try and do these on your own. So 3 6 plus 3 6 equals what? Is it A, 6 6 or 1 whole, B, 6 12ths, or C, 9 36? If you are not ready, pause it because I'm about to give the answer. 3 plus 3, let me type it. 3 plus 3 equals, not 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and our denominator does not change, it stays the same. So we get 6 6, or we could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you notice at our bars, they are the same. 6 6 equals 1 whole. Remember when the numerator and the denominator are the same, it equals 1. So our answer is A. Did you get it correct? Did you choose A? Good job. Now let's look at this one. I told you, I always tell you guys, I'm a very visual person. I have to sit there and write it out. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know there's 10. Come on, little inserter. We have 10 for the denominator, and it looks like they're all the same. How many are on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 parts shaded. So this one is 6/10. And then the next one, let me ask you, is our denominator going to be the same? Yes. Good. It sure is, because there's 10 parts in here too. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 out of 10. And we add it together. 6 plus 3 equals, I'm going to let you do it. Finish it. What's your answer? Did you say 9/10? Did you choose B? I sure hope so. If you chose 18, you must have added something weird and added denominators or numerators twice or something. Okay, because look at our models. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts, and 9 out of the 10 parts are shaded. So it is B. Well done. All right, if you would like to practice this on your own, go right ahead. Go for it. Go ahead and practice it. Pause it. When you come back, I will have the answers here for you. So go ahead and pause it and do it on your own. All right, welcome back. Here are your answers. I hope that you got the same thing. You just added the numerators. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Kept the denominators 8. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Denominator stays the same as 8. And over here, our denominator, we're dealing with 12ths. 7 plus 4 equals 11 twelfths. 4 plus 4 equals 8 twelfths. I hope you got that correct. And lastly, if you would like, you can go ahead and pause this and give you some additional practice solving, adding fractions. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do all 17. It is up to you. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and make sure you log this in your attendance for math. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, everybody.